In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your account disabled in App Store and iTunes. If you're seeing that message when you try to download apps or make purchases, don't worry. This usually comes down to a few common issues, and I'll walk you through reliable fixes step by step. First, let's understand why this happens. Too many incorrect Apple ID password attempts can trigger a temporary security lock. If you haven't signed in for a long time, your device might stop recognizing your account properly. And billing problems like unpaid subscriptions, outstanding balances, or outdated payment details can also disable your account until they're resolved. Start with the most effective fix, changing your Apple ID password. If you recently entered the wrong password multiple times, wait 24 hours before trying again. Then open settings on your iPhone, tap your name at the top, and go to password and security. Sign into your iCloud account if you're prompted. Tap change password, enter your current password, then create a new one and confirm it. Tap change to finish. This refresh often clears the lock and reauthorizes your account. If you can't reset from settings or you've forgotten your password, unlock your account using Apple's iForgot site. Open any web browser and go to iforgot.apple.com. Enter your Apple ID email address, complete the CAPTCHA and tap continue. Enter the phone number linked to your account, then follow the on-screen instructions to recover or unlock your account. If you still can't access downloads, try signing out and back into your Apple ID to fix temporary sync issues. Open settings, tap your name, scroll down, and tap sign out. Choose which data to keep on your iPhone, then tap sign out again to confirm. Wait a few seconds. Next, tap sign into your iPhone, enter your Apple ID and password, and enter your device passcode when requested. When asked, select Don't Merge. After signing in, check if you can download apps again. If billing caused the lock, update your payment details. Go to Settings, tap your name, select Media and Purchases, then tap View Account. Choose Manage Payments, add or update your debit or credit card details, and confirm your billing address. Tap Done to save. Your account should be enabled shortly after billing issues are resolved. Finally, if nothing works, contact Apple support. Visit support.apple.com, select your device, choose Forgot Passcode or an account-related issue, and follow the steps to chat or call Apple support. A representative can manually review and restore your App Store and iTunes access. That's it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more